Hello, welcome back. Today, we talking about Teams versus Slack, a comprehensive comparison in today's fast-paced digital work environment. Communication and collaboration tools are essential for keeping teams connected and productive. Two of the most popular options are Microsoft Teams and Slack. Both platforms offer a range of features designed to improve team communication, but they differ in their approach, functionality, and integration capabilities. This article provides a detailed comparison of Microsoft Teams and Slack to help you choose the best tool for your business. 1. Overview of Microsoft Teams and Slack. Microsoft Teams is a comprehensive collaboration tool that integrates deeply with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It offers chat, video conferencing, file sharing, and seamless integration with apps like Outlook, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Planner. It's designed for businesses that rely on Microsoft's productivity suite. Slack, on the other hand, focuses primarily on real-time messaging and collaboration. It's known for its user-friendly interface and powerful third-party app integrations. Slack works well for companies seeking a customizable communication tool without being tied to a specific productivity suite. 2. Features comparison chat and messaging. Both Microsoft Teams and Slack offer robust messaging capabilities, including direct messages, group chats, and channels. Microsoft Teams conversations are organized in teams and channels, making it easy to manage discussions around specific topics or projects. Teams also support threaded conversations, making it easier to follow discussions within channels. Slack's communication revolves around channels and threads. It's known for its intuitive interface and emoji reactions, which make conversations more engaging. Slack's keyword notifications and message reminders add an extra layer of customization. Video and voice calls. In the area of remote work, video and voice calling are crucial. Microsoft Teams offers built-in video and audio conferencing with support for large meetings, live events, and screen sharing. It also provides advanced meeting features like recording, transcripts, and breakout rooms. Slack supports video and audio calls, but these features are less robust compared to Teams. Slack's video calling is suitable for smaller teams and informal conversations, but it lacks advanced conferencing options. File sharing and collaboration. Collaboration is at the heart of both platforms. Microsoft Teams integrates directly with OneDrive and SharePoint, making it easy to share and collaborate on files in real time. Users can co-author documents without leaving the app. Slack allows file sharing, but it relies on third-party storage solutions like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Box. While Slack's file sharing capabilities are strong, it doesn't offer the same level of document collaboration as Teams. 3. Integration and app ecosystem. Microsoft Teams comes with seamless integration with the Microsoft 365 suite. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Planner, etc. Supports third-party apps through the Teams App Store, including Trello, Asana, and Zoom. 4. Pricing. Microsoft Teams is included in Microsoft 365 subscriptions, starting from $6 per user month for the Business Basic plan, which includes Teams, Exchange, OneDrive, and SharePoint. Teams also offers a free version with limited features. Slack offers a free plan with limitations on message history and file storage. Paid plans start at $7.25 per user month, offering unlimited message history, increased storage, and advanced features like group video calls. 5. Security and compliance. Security is a critical factor when choosing a communication platform. Microsoft Teams, built with enterprise-level security. Teams provides end-to-end encryption, data loss prevention (DLP), and full compliance with industry standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO 27001. Slack offers strong security features, including data encryption and enterprise-grade compliance. Slack Enterprise Grade is suitable for large organizations with advanced security needs. However, Teams' deep integration with Microsoft's security infrastructure gives it an edge for highly regulated industries. 6. User experience and interface. Microsoft Teams. The interface is modern but can feel overwhelming for new users due to its extensive features. However, once users become familiar, it becomes a powerful tool for managing communication and collaboration. Slack. Known for its clean and intuitive interface, Slack is easy to navigate. It focuses on simplicity and customization, making it a favorite for startups and tech-savvy teams. 7. Which one should you choose? The right choice between Microsoft Teams and Slack depends on your business needs and existing tools. Conclusion. Both Microsoft Teams and Slack are excellent tools for improving team communication and collaboration. If you're part of a Microsoft 365-centric organization, Microsoft Teams is a natural fit, offering seamless integration and enterprise-level features. Meanwhile, Slack shines in its flexibility and third-party app integrations, making it a great choice for businesses that prioritize customization and ease of use. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your organization's unique requirements and preferences. Whichever platform you choose, both will help boost productivity and keep your team connected in today's digital workplace.